पास ईवी बाइक है, इससे बेटर काम कर पा रहा हूँ। मैं पहले से ज़्यादा ट्रिप भी लगा पा रहा हूँ और मेरे इनकम में भी जो है वो बढ़ाव हुआ है। जैसे कि मैं पहले 700-800 रुपये कमाता था एक दिन का, और अब मेरा जो भी है 1000 प्लस हो जाता है, 1200-1300 रुपये करके हो जाता है। इसलिए अच्छा कमा पा रहा हूँ, तो उससे जो है मेरे खाने पीने का, कपड़े सपड़े का जो भी रहन सहन है वो सारा चेंज हो रहा है और मेरा आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता ही जा रहा है।
तो પછી ड्रायर मशीनનો ઉપયોગ કર્યો કે અમે શાકભાજી એના સૂકવ્યા ड्रायर મશીનમાં અને સૂકવેલાનો અમે વેચાણ કર્યું તો અમારે વધારે ભાવ મળે। જે લીલા શાકભાજીનો ભાવ હતો એનાથી ડબલ ભાવ અમને સૂકાનો મળે। વધારે પૈસા આવક વધી અમારા ઘરમાં, આવક ઘરમાં 50% અમારો ફાયદો થયો। આવક વધી એટલે મેં મારી છોકરી અત્યારે 10 પાસ કરીને 11માં ભણી, પછી મારો છોકરો પણ તકલાસી ભણ્યો, 10 પાસ કર્યું।
त्यांनी जाते, चांगलं काम करते, चांगलं प्रोडक्टविषयी माहिती देणं, ग्रोवन औषधं फवारण्याचे ते आणि फवारा 2-3 प्रकारचे फवारे, ताडपत्री आणि बायोगॅस। वर्षातून त्यांचे कमीत कमी 2 महिन्याला 3 महिन्याला जे सिलेंडर लागत होतं ते 4 सिलेंडरचे 4-5 हजार रुपये बचत झाली त्यांची वर्षाची। आणि त्याच्यातून आणखीन स्लरीचा ह्याला बी फायदा होते, पिकासाठी फायदा होते स्लरी।
हम रॉ मटेरियल का काम करते हैं। हम किसानों से मक्का या सोयाबीन का मटेरियल, रॉ मटेरियल खरीद के कंपनी को बेचते हैं। ये रॉ मटेरियल अपन बाहर जलाएंगे तो उससे प्रदूषण बढ़ता है, तो यही मैन्युफैक्चर में जाएंगे तो प्रदूषण कम होता है।
फैन पे काम कर रहा था अमेज़न फ्रेश में, ग्रोसरी डिलीवरी। मैं अगर डीजल पेट्रोल वाला गाड़ी चला तो कोई आदमी लोग को परेशान होता है, धुआं निकलता है, बट ये इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल है, किसी को परेशान नहीं होता है।
तो हमने कहा कि हमने लिथियम बैटरी लगवाई है इसमें हैवी की, तो उससे हमारी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चलती है और अच्छा पिकअप है, रोड अच्छा लेती है। फ्लाईओवर के ऊपर चढ़ने में भी कोई मुसीबत नहीं होती, मतलब कि सही स्मूथ चढ़ जाती है। एक आधी बार हम अपनी रिक्शा बस के पीछे खड़े कर देते हैं या ट्रक के पीछे खड़े कर देते हैं तो हमारी आंखों में धुआं चुभने लग जाता है। जब हमें महसूस होता है कि हमारी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक की मतलब कि बढ़िया, जिससे आज पर्यावरण की रक्षा हो रही है।
Number one, we are working on clean tech or climate friendly technologies where the community will be benefiting. It's not just giving a product, but it is enabling customers who cannot afford to have certain financing schemes which will make them adopt this technology. We have to ensure that Sakhi gets enough pipeline to work at the grassroots level and also earn.
Waste pickers, hawkers, scrap dealers, vegetable vendors, they were just pulling 500 to 600 kgs of load on their carts, causing drudgery, poverty, like muscular pains and a lot of health issues also in the long run. So now this electric kits is basically eliminating all these issues. Now after this electric kit being installed in their carts, they are able to do like almost you can say 7 to 8 trips. More trips means more income.
The pro of EV vehicle is you can basically control the vehicle because you have an IoT enabled battery installed into the vehicle. So if it's almost like a mobile recharge, and even in terms of collection, because the technology is involved, customer can pay the money sitting at their home. So technology reduces the collection cost, which eventually reduces the cost that the borrower has to pay in terms of the EMI.
EV's business model, we've kept it very simple. We give vehicles, especially two-wheelers, on a monthly subscription. We are majorly in the delivery and the gig economy space, but we are other people as well who hire our vehicles, florists or medical stores, your dairies.
Waste sellers were not able to efficiently sell their waste to biofuel manufacturers. Biofuel manufacturers had a problem both sourcing waste and reaching the large corporates. And corporates, although they wanted to move towards biofuels, were not able to move away from fossil fuels. And we were convinced that a technology platform would solve the gap and ensure that the entire supply chain is more efficiently driven. And the objective is to discourage crop-based biofuels or deforestation-based biofuels, and thereby ensure only waste-based biofuels come into the supply chain.
उपाया सोशल वेंचर और जो क्लाइमाफी अलायंस है उसके साथ जुड़ने के बाद जो रुद्र सोलर एनर्जी की टीम है वो बहुत सारे माइक्रो एंटरप्रेन्योर को जनरेट कर पाएगी, तो उनको कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बढ़ेगा, वो एम्पावर रहेंगे, वो इंस्पायर्ड होंगे, तो दूसरे 2 लोगों को भी वो बता पाएंगे.
For us to run, there is enough capital that needs to be coming, right? People need to understand where we are coming from, what we are trying to do, and I think with the initiative what Upaya is doing and with the collaboration, we are expecting this financial inclusion or kind of a sustainability side of the activities are more penetrated from our side. It can be going into tier 2 cities, experimenting in the tier 3 towns.
Dignity is a very important pillar in our work culture for FINE, right? And the expectation is that flows entirely down to the ground level for the drivers. The aspect where while even driving, even that is being looked at with dignity everywhere.
Dignity for us at Biofuel Junction is transparency, safer environment and gender neutrality. So that helps us to build the organization, and we are proud what we have achieved at this level.
We want to make sure that we are seen as creating a dignified labor force, a dignified workforce which is not just proud of the work that they do, but are able to earn a respectable livelihood out of the work that they do.